In this video, I'll be showing how to change a placement via employer search on MyWEX. Once you're logged into MyWEX, we're going to go to the Employer menu and the View Employers tag. The student is placed at 888 Bikes. If there's any other way you can remember to search it up, you can use that as well. And here's our employer. Let's go to the employer details. And we'll go to the placement section. Here's our student. This is the only student that's placed at this employer currently. Click on the details. And here are the details of the placement. This was generated from the activity and entered onto the work agreement form. So this is where the placement details are. This is what we can change. So if there's going to be a change in date, maybe they're going to go back and do a few less days a week, or the store has increased their opening hours, we can adjust these and just make sure to update the placement at the bottom. Once you see that the changes have been made, go back into the placement. We can see that our increased hours and shortened days have been changed. What we'll now need to do is to get the new workhead agreement. So you can download this and distribute this copy, which now has the updated information as we had to do. It's as easy as that.